Okay, now we are on 15th Feb. So to give you a brief idea, I'm doing good, Sham. So let me just give you a brief idea of what's happening the global markets. So we have SGX up by 100 points. So that's going to be a huge gap up open. And other than this, we can see Nikkei has sort of recovered from that 5% loss on Friday. Hang Seng is at around 2.5%. So seems like most of the things are in green except Shanghai. So what I have done here is I've just opened the TradingTree charts, and I have even opened the cash tree file. So let me just put this on and let's check the scripts that are on news. So Bank of Baroda 3000 plus loss. So let me just add some of the scripts here. So let me not include Bank of Baroda. Anyway, it's going to be a huge gap down for Bank of Baroda. So other than that, let me just add LNT here. LNT is already there. So I'll add HPCL. Sorry, it's in Petro. And in place of India Cements, I will add BPCL. We have again NMDC and Sun TV. So place of IFCI, let me add NMDC. And in place of GMR Infra, I'll add Sun TV. And let me just retain the rest of the scripts. So what we'll be doing is we'll be clicking on the current day data button at 9:15, and then we'll be getting the prices for all the scripts, all the 30 scripts what we have here. that is the entry prices on both the buy side and the sell side. And you have the targets, and you have your stop loss here right below the name of the script, and we'll start trading. And in case if a particular script opens beyond the intermediate target level, that is your intermediate target is this one, if it opens beyond that, then we'll not be trading in that particular script. We can change the script, and then we can trade on some other company. And in case if you have any doubt, please type it in the chat box. So we'll just wait till the market opens, and then we can start off with the trading session. So I think the pre-open is over. So that's 76 points up. So we can expect some upward movement again after this 76. So these two are completely different applications, the Excel application and the charting application what you are seeing. And other than this, we have our Ammyy broker, which we use it for refining our trades. Other than this scripts, we do have Bharat Forge in the news. So let me just add that in place of RCOM. And we do have even Sun Pharma. So that's already there. We have Godrej also on the news. So let me just add that in the place of Hindalco. So another 2 minutes and we can start it off.
There is a cell phone in the point. There is a cell phone in NinjaTrader Addons.
So now I have clicked on the current day data button. So you can just see that on the left bottom corner you have that icon which is rotating. It means that your current day data is getting loaded. So as soon as that stops, so we have a buy in Nifty. We have a buy in Nifty, ALBK, Can Bank, Bank of India, DLF, IDFC, IB Real Estate, KTK, PNB. We have a sell in ONGC, and we have a sell in Kane, IndusInd Bank. Okay, let me just put it on auto refresh on. So you can just see that. So we have some gap up openings, that is Bank of Baroda, Axis, Sun TV, IDBI, Havels, Bharat Forge will not be getting into these trades. SBI we have a buy at the entry. So when you have the entry, what you do is you buy SBI at 159.50 and put your stop loss as 159. Century Textiles we have a buy 442. Bharti Airtel is a gap down open, will not be entering this. Sun Pharma we have a buy. So the idea is very simple. You'll just go back to your Ammyy broker and then check the trend here. So it's a huge gap up open for Bank of Baroda, and you have the alert here for Bank of India. Now the alert has come here. 88. So we'll wait for some time and then we can start placing the trades. IndusInd Bank has already done its intermediate target. Kotak we have a sell call. So that's a gap up open. So we have a sell in Z, ICICI we have a sell, LIC we have a sell, Bank Nifty we have a sell. So all our trades, the alerts what we have got will always be stored here. We'll have to go to File, New, Alerts. Now Z we have and sell. Okay, it's a buy. So you can buy at this price, 380.90. So I'm just going to draw a line. Let me just so yes bank, your buy is R1. So Wipro you can buy above R1. Voltas above R1. So Vedanta is a gap up open. You can buy above R2. UPL you can buy above R1. So Ultratech Cement buy above R2. TVS you can buy above R1. Torrent you can buy at this level 1271. Tech Mahindra will just ignore that because we have strong resistances there. TCS we can buy above this. So Tata Motors is an gap up open and it is already up. So Tata Power you can buy at this level. L&T buy above the brown line. Lupin the same thing. M&M you buy above this top of this candle. Same thing with Maruti. Will buy above R1. So Nifty is a buy. NTPC you can buy above this candle. ONGC we already have a sell call. You can see that here. You can just see that IBRL has already done its profit. IBRL and HDIL, including DLF. F6, you click on the chart and then hit F6. You can just click on that chart and hold F6. You can draw the line. So IRB has done its final target. Tech Mahindra we have a buy now. Now if you just ask me where to exit, so CAC we already have a buy call. Now let's just take in case of Bank of Baroda. Let's go to the Ammyy broker. You can see that we have a buy alert here. So you'll be buying above this price, that is 130.90. We have ALBK and Can Bank. So Can Bank, we know that the trend is upside, so we can keep trailing the stop loss and then move ahead with this. And Access, so the buy alert is here. We should get a confirmation for Access here. Wipro, your stop loss, you can put it here, 521. So let me just put some more trades on the TradingTree application. So Syndicate Bank is here. So Sun TV, it's a gap up open. So you can consider buying above 340, 150. So Sun Pharma, Star, Pharma pack is up. SKS you can buy above 524. Siemens 1015. 160 buy. Red cap buy above R1. So we have a buy in BPCL now and Coal India. So we had put the buy here for S Bank at 741. Now it is at 747. Wacard, it's already up. So Wipro, Voltas set to make an entry. Vedanta yet to make an entry. UPL, you can see that it's already up. Your target will be 397, 397.50. Ultrasamco, first level of target you can book at 2860. So Maruti has made the entry. So Nifty is up. That's Petronet. PFC, PNB, REC. Relcap is up. We already have a buy call and it has done its final targets here in your cash tree. Let me just show it to you. So in place of Bharti Airtel, I'll just add Relcap. So Kotak and Dr. Reddy, we already have buy. I'll just show you here. In place of Cipla, let me add Dr. Reddy. Two double 2882 is the entry for Dr. Reddy. HDFC Bank has come for a buy. ONGC and CAN will replace it with other script, that is IndusInd Bank. We have a buy. We already have a buy in ACC. So like what I said in case of ACC, I have it on another system. So I'm just having a look at that and then trying to give you the trades. Adani Enterprises, Adani Power, we have a buy. That's Ajanta Pharma. ALBK you can buy again here at 43.90. So Ambuja Cement, we already have a buy. Apollo Hospital, you can buy it here, 1431. So Apollo Tire is already in green. Arvind, you can see that your buy entry was at R1. Ashok Leyland is already up. So Asian Paint you can consider buying here, or else we'll get an sell call. Arpindo Pharma is flat. So Axis has already done its profits. Bajaj Auto you can buy it here. So Bank of Baroda is flat. It's a gap up open and it's flat. Bank of India is already in green. It has already given you profits. So that's Bank Nifty. HCL Tech is a buy. That's Havels. Already seeing that in the cash tree. So Grasim. So most of the scripts are in green except ONGC and Cain. So Dr. Reddy you can consider here 2894. So DLF has already done its targets. DHFL you can buy it at this price 159. So that's Crompton, Coalpal, Coal India, that's in green. So Cipla is flat. CESE has already done its targets. I can show you. So in place of CAN, let me add CESE. So you can see Nifty has already done its final target of roughly around 40 points, 45 points. And let's check the trend. CAN will get a sell call. So there's still upside in HDIL. So you need not exit this particular trade since it's already done its final targets. L&T will be doing its final target 1085, so that's 10 rupees there. So TCS has done its first level of target, that is your R2. Tata Steel, Tata Power.
BPCL, that buy call.
BPCL, the buy call has hit a stop loss. Now we have a sell entry. That we have not done it, but I think we can even do in that also. But you can always check your our resistance and support levels here in your trading tree itself. The charts getting delayed in the sense, I think your data, he has upgraded this application, the data server. I am getting it fine now. Earlier it was like, yes, we did have some problems. Now I think he has changed the servers, and then the other thing might be like you should be having a static IP. It will be very useful. You'll get the data correctly. So I have a static IP. Bajaj Auto will get an sell call. So Reliance has done its final target 929. So let's pull the chart for that. So there you see, in case if it breaks this R2, and you can expect a level of 959. So that's rel infra 424 was your target. Siemens 1025 will be your target. And what you are seeing here is the equity prices. It's not the futures prices. Jindal Steel is really strong now. 6123 might be a possibility. Similarly, metals are looking lucrative. So Godrej has done its final target. So 7123. If you have any doubts, sorry, if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. So Bharat Forge, let's have a look at Bharat Forge. So it's still going strong. So you can just compare your charts and then you can keep trailing your stop losses so that you can take the maximum profit out of each trade. So you can just see that HDL, we have the buy entry here. The target will be okay, that's the first level of target. In case if it breaks free from this R2, then it can go beyond that. Your next, your target will be 6250. So you can just still hold on to HDIL. So your next level of target will be 7170 for Nifty. We can still hold on to Havels. So Nifty up by 150 points. It's PMB. ITC is absolutely flat. Same thing with HDFC Bank. L&T 1098. Can wait on that. So we have sell in Wipro, Glenmark, BHEL, Arvind. So Wipro, you can short it here. Also, you can wait for a confirmation from your Ammyy broker. Let's see what's the trend here. So we have a sell alert here, but we still have a buy alert again. So we can still stay in the long position itself. Until unless we get an sell confirmation, let's not exit this. The reports 190, 190 will be our target. So Adani, sorry, Arvind, we have a sell here, but let's check the trend. So you can see that it's still an buy alert. So you can still stay long in that trade. So that's how you compare and then try to refine your trades. 86, 80 will be our target for Ashok Leyland. So Glenmark, we have a sell here, but in case if you just go and check the trend here, you can see that we don't have an sell confirmation, and it's actually moving up. So you can avoid calls like this. The same thing with HUL. So we have a buy alert here, and it has actually crossed that buy alert. So it should be moving up. So it's Motherson Sumi which has done all its targets. Sorry, it has done its R2. So we can expect another 30 points up in Nifty. So that's NTPC, Petronet, PFC, PNB, REC, Relcap, Reliance, Relinfra, SBI, Siemens, SKS. It's not triggered that buy. So Star, we had a buy in the morning. We can expect a sell call here in Star. So we're talking about Star. So we have that sell here. So we can short it at this level, 988. See, Hyderabad, we have an office in KPHB, but we operate from Bangalore. What is it you want to know? I mean, if you just tell me that, then maybe I can help you out better. So getting familiar with the software, I won't. We actually don't have any trial facility. What you can do is you can attend our webinar again whenever we have it, and then you'll be able to understand it better. So Divis, we have a confirmation here, a short. We usually have it in the mornings, 9 o'clock, almost every day. So you can just, once you get the meeting ID, you can just join us again. So ITC, we have a sell alert. Once we get the confirmation, then we can enter into this trade. We'll send you a mail. We'll send you a mail so you can join us. But you'll have to leave your mail ID. Just leave your mail ID in case you want the meeting ID again, and we'll just mail it to you. So you'll be able to trade in even in commodities with this application. So I'll just open the charts for you. So you can see base metals, they are really doing good, and gold, we have a huge gap down open. So gold, it's on short here, 29,350. Now it is at 28,940. So you can just calculate the profit. We had this buy in crude, that's at 1917. It's now at nearly 2000. So aluminum, we have this gap up open. We got this call here. Gold 2 is nothing but your next month contract, I mean the upcoming contract. So we have led buy here. Mentha oil, we have a buy here. It's natural gas is gap down. Nickel is flat. Sorry, it's a gap up open. So in case if you want to buy nickel, you can buy at this level, 55760. Silver, you can short it here. Zinc, again you can buy it above this level, 11660. So copper buy is at 31220. That's albedo. So PNB has done its final target 77.40. Let's check where LNT is headed. LNT, you can expect 1109. So ITC, we are expecting this sell call. So there you go. This is your entry for ITC. So S1, the S2 level is 301. So you can just see that here you have a sell alert here, and we have a sell confirmation too. $71.60 is a possibility. 71.68 is your 71.57 is your first resistance, and then you have this. And in case if it breaks this, next level will be 7260. So roughly around 1.5 hour from the market open. So these are the trades that you have. We had a clear call on Nifty and Bank Nifty, SBI also. Bank of Baroda was a gap up open. ALBK, we had a slight gap up open. Can Bank, Axis, Havels, it was on gap up open. So most of the calls, LNT, we started from entry. Same thing with Maruti, HDIL, Century Textiles, Coal India, PNB. So these are some of the trades that we have currently, and you can just calculate the profits in case if you would have entered into trades. And the BPCL, you have seen that it hit a stop loss buy side and the sell side. So once you get a stop loss on buy side and sell side, it's better to ignore that particular trade. ITC, we had an buy, but again 303 is the stop loss for that. So but in case if you're watching the Ammyy and your trading tree, you're already profits on the sell side. So thanks for coming. I'll just close this meeting for now, and maybe again after some time I'll again record the trades again, whatever fresh trades in case if we have it. I'll again record it, and then you can most probably have a look at this in case if you want to. So in case if you want to again go back and check the video, I'll post on YouTube. You can have a look at it. And in case if you want to call me, you can call me on 97432 That's my number. So thanks for coming. Bye. We have a buy alert. We should get a confirmation, then we can get into this trade. Same thing with Mindtree.